So over here, I am in a composition shot, and here you can see that I have this particular object right here in my timeline. And what you can do within a composition shot is you can add in keyframes and create animations. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around and select out this object right here. And then once you go around, you can go around and expand its properties right here. So whatever properties that you see right here, you can go around and add in keyframes to it and then create animations as long as you see these little dots over here besides them. So over here you can see that this is my timeline right here. You can zoom in and zoom out of the timeline as well. So let's say I want to create an animation where this particular object moves from left to right hand side right here, from the top left hand side to the bottom right hand side right here. So for that, let me just go around and scale this out, and I'm going to drag this particular object right here on the top left hand side right here, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that this location is set. So I can go around over here and keep the timeline, let's say for around 1 second of the time, because that is where I want the animation to start from. So I'm going to keep my timeline cursor over there and then go around and click on position, so that the position for 1 second in this particular for this particular object is set on 1 second. So let's say around 3 seconds right here, I want the position to be here. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag this out, and you can see a line over here as well. And you can see that on 3, the position is here. So the position is here in 1 second and 3 in this second. So what happens is that if I were to press the play button, the in-between frames from this position to this position is created, as you can see. So what I can also do is I can go around over here and then click right here just like this. Let me just go around, click somewhere in between. So what I can do is I can simply move right here, and what it does is it creates a Bezier curve right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around and play now, you can see that I can add in minor adjustment right here and change around the animation path right here just like this as well. And then you can move around these as well, and these are what you have. As you can see, you got the Bezier curves right here just like this that you can adjust over here just like this. You can go around and adjust it out, and you can see that you can control out the path for the animation as well just like this. So you can go around over here, you can go around over here, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So what you can also do is you can go around and scale, like animate out scale and rotation and other properties right here. Let's say I'm going to go around over here, add in properties to rotation just like this, and from over here till here I want it to rotate a bit. So I'm just going to go around and rotate just like this, and now you can see you got a rotation animation over here as well. Similarly, I'm going to go around and add in an animation to scale from over here, and I'm going to go around, increase out the size, and then from over here I'm going to decrease out the size right here. Then I'm going to go around, work around with the opacity right here just like this, decrease out the opacity a bit, increase this out, and then you got this animation, as you can see. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that you can go around and add in different animation properties as you like. You can go around and click and drag out these keyframes as well, here and there just like this, and that is how you can go around and create out animations as you like inside of HitFilm composition. So that is how you can work around with keyframes to create animations inside of HitFilm composition. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.